Goodbye closet. Goodbye old bathroom.
Yes? Can I help you?
Early in the morning.
Noli packed herself in the car. Like, she jumped in and put herself right there. What are you doing? You ready to go? We're off.
You're gonna have to
Got the
leave
keys.
soon.
So you
So I'll give you this heart of mine. It means I'm gonna miss you every time. 'Cause I can't get used to letting you go when the tears roll down your face. Let me tell you, darling, we're gonna find a place.
Our neighbors are here!
Where we can get high, where we can run away, we can go today, we can leave the world behind.
We're out running some errands today.
Let's go.
Avocado tree.
Let's do what we lost. Do all the things that we've been dreaming of.
Alright, so we finished the hair. We went with a wet look. It only took us like a long time to look effortless. I love it. Thank you. You're so awesome. You guys follow him. I'll put his stuff right here.
Even when I can tell you're lying, but time is getting heavy. So the car is parked just outside. Are you still?
I think you've arrived.
I have arrived.
Really what it is.
I think once somebody starts putting foundation on your boobs, you've arrived. My neighbor here just picked me up. We're carpooling now, that's what we do. We're on our way to the Vanity Fair party with Lancome.
Where we can lay low, where we can get high. We can run away, we can go today, we can leave the world behind. So honey, let's go. Let's do what we love.
Patrick.
Run with her.
Do all the things we dream of.
Birthday to you. Where's the other Desi? We can blow it out together too. Okay. It's a little chickie. So cool. Oh my god, that's so
But we can run away, we can go today, we can leave the world behind. So honey, let's go.
Angel, Artist Couture, thank you so much. It's a bathtub with flowers in it. Oh my God. This is so sweet. It's from the ColourPop team. Happy birthday and congrats on the new move. Making moves. I love it.
So honey, let's go.
This is so beautiful. Thank you, Anna and Aro.
Let's see it.
Look who it is.
Oh.
Wow, Desi.
Oh, Stevie's Jeep's up in this thing.
Oh my goodness. My lust list. Oh shit. Wow, this is so cool. Cosmopolitan, Cardi B on the cover. Ah, look, it's me. That's not me, this is me right here. Just in case anyone was confused. Look at the sky outside.
Darling, we're gonna find a place. We can live, but we can get high. But we can run away, we can go today, we can leave the world behind. So honey, let's go. Let's do what we lost. Do all the things that we've been